Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 8:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 16, 2023. This is not financial advice, educational. Click the subscribe, the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. Intraday updates on Twitter at Wall Street Trot 12. Okay, if you guys have any other videos, cryptos you want covered, just paste them below. Pop them right down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get to them. In the meantime, Quant. Let's take a look at the Quant US dollar pair, looking pretty good today. Certainly a nice little rally. Again, this is sometimes it's driven by Bitcoin, sometimes it's driven by the underlying Quant strength itself. So here's the deal. Quant US dollar is now at 141. I think on the last video we were kind of hanging out back here, maybe even earlier than that. But we are certainly tagging a nice upside move, and we've got to about 153 is the next area of resistance. So we'll look into that a bit more. And nice W pattern forming. I think we're still going to rise even after we hit that 153 area of resistance, and probably up to about here at 161. Next stop after that, 170. So look, you got to track this with some of the underlying pairs. So let's go into one of them, Quant Bitcoin. This is the inner strength of Quant. This is Quant by itself without Bitcoin's help. So this is why I like this particular view. Gives me some insight. So we do have a little bit of resistance up here at 684. We're at 673. 673 to 684 is posh. Why don't we just try to see if we can get up to 718? Over 718, then things really get interesting. But right now it's made a nice move off this support line, and that's a good sign. Over to Bitcoin US dollar consolidation over the last couple of days. I have a feeling we'll just be coiling up a little bit more before now and the next move. And like I said, it's a two-phase process. Bitcoin blasts off, everything goes up on the altcoin side, but only because Bitcoin's rising so quickly. And again, when Bitcoin rises quickly, you get this side of the equation going up. So when this goes up, obviously Quant generally will go up. But this time around, you see Bitcoin is kind of coiling up here, not doing a whole lot of movement. And that means altcoins are, and it's evident right here. Altcoin to Bitcoin, Quant to Bitcoin up 7%. That means Quant is doing it on its own. So that's really what it's all about. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. And by the way, I think on Bitcoin overall, I think we've got some, headwinds ahead here around 22,500. Looks to be a rough area of resistance. Getting through that, we could easily be up to around 29 to 30,000, judging the way this thing is, price action is moving. I think also in the tech sector, we're cyclically in bullish mode up until my forecast of like first to second week of Feb. We'll see what happens there. In the meantime, let's see how this thing continues to project up, and hope everyone's having a good day, especially if you're in the States and have a day off. Take care.